Hi, my name is Naresh Razdan. Change is the only constant thing, and let me explain you what I mean by that. When I started my career 35 years back in after sales service, the way the service used to operate was that everything used to be in-house. Whether it is the technicians, whether it is the stores operators, whether it is the helpers, whether it is the drivers, everything used to be in-house. And then that has had some good things also, and it had some limitations also. The good thing is that everything used to be in a controlled environment, but the limitations used to be in terms of expansion, in terms of reach, and in terms of scale. So as the sales started increasing, it was becoming difficult to keep pace with the expansion of this sales network and the customer support. So what happened is that a new way of working of service operations started, and from in-house the things started moving to outsourcing. Then they started moving to franchisee service, authorized service partner service. So a new set of service operations evolved. In the last 1 decade, we have seen a lot of evolution in telecommunication and cloud-based solution. And the two have given a very powerful tool to this industry. And a lot of solutions have evolved which have gone beyond territories, whether it is geographical, whether it is the time. You can operate in those solutions anytime, anywhere. So that has given a lot of reach to the industry as well as to the users. It's from both the sides, the user side also and from the industry side also. As a product of this combination of evolution of telecommunication and cloud-based solution, crowdsourcing solution has emerged as a very powerful tool, and we have seen a lot of industries using it for immediate and quick expansion. Some of the examples are in front of us. The food delivery industry, we have seen in the last 2-3 years how it has increased, how it has multiplied. Then e-commerce industry also is a big industry as of now, and both have been benefited because of the crowdsourcing solution. And now I really believe that the next is the technical and skilled people who will be using it for their benefit on one side, and on the other side a lot of industries will be using it for solving their problems. We are working with some multinationals, leaders of the industry. Some of them have already started using it. They have started seeing the benefits, and now they are expanding the operation with us. Some are considering, because they have also seen a merit in this solution, and they are also considering to use this cloud and crowdsourcing solutions for their expansion, for new ways of working. So the crowdsourcing solution, the MyMobiForce platform, is going to be the next generation solution, and this is going to remain as a very powerful tool. Thank you.